Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start syllabus of first term. Open SST book, chapter number 4, calendar and dates. Already you know about the calendar and dates. Once I will tell you again. Calendar. What is calendar? Which helps us to mark important events and remember them throughout the year. That is called calendar. Now, look at your book on the way. On a calendar, mark the following events and write the dates below. Your birthday. Here you will write only your birthday date. Diwali festival. When will be the Diwali in this year? You will write that day from the calendar. Holi festival. When we have when we had celebrated Holi this year, you will write that date also. Your father's birthday, you will write your father's birthday date here. Independence Day of India. It is also national festival, so it will be on 15th of August. You will write here 15th of August. Republic Day of India, it will be on 26th of January every year. Your mother's birthday, you will write your mother's birthday date here. Understood? Now we will start the chapter. As we studied in the last chapter, a year is made up of 365 or 366 days. We can also say that it is made up of 12 months. As one year ends, the next year begins, and this is how it goes on. Already you know that in a year there are 365 or 366 days. 366 days. Why 366 days? Because in a leap year, February has 29 days. That's why in that year, the year has 366 days. Here already a calendar of 2017 is given. You can see this calendar carefully. And you know that in this calendar they have shown 12 months. Already you know that there are 12 months in a year. Look at the calendar and read the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All of you know about the months of the year. Now what is calendar? A calendar is a tool used to mark the passing of time by dividing it into years, months, weeks, and days. It helps us to mark important events and remember them throughout the year. A continuous period of 7 days makes up a week. About 4 weeks make up a month and 12 months make up a year. In terms of days, 28 to 31 days make up a month and 365 or 366 days make up a year. What is a calendar? Calendar is a tool or thing which remind us the events or important dates which are going to happen in the year. With the help of the calendar, we can know about the important events and the important things which are going to happen throughout the year. Means in this year what is going to happen, we will know from the calendar. And a calendar is divided into years, months, weeks and days. Already you have seen that there are 12 months on the calendar are shown, and from the months, in a month, every month has weeks, and in every week there are days. How many days in a week? 7 days. 7 days makes up a week. And about 4 weeks make up a month. And near about 4 weeks in every month. And 12 months make up a year. In terms of days, 28 to 31 days means in every month there are 30, either 30 or 31 days. Okay, but in the month of February 28 days are there, but in the leap year February month has 29 days, and in other years the counting of the days are 365, and in the leap year the days are 366 days make up a year. Why do we mark events in the calendar? Some of us have a good memory and remember dates and events well. However, it's difficult to remember so many events or dates. Therefore, a calendar is used to mark the events like family birthdays, anniversaries, special events, events at school, and national events. Let us study more about these events. Now you have seen that in a calendar, why the calendar is made first of all? To remember the things. Okay, we can learn the things or remember the things, important events from the calendar which are marked on the calendar. Your friends' birthdays, your family birthdays, family members' birthdays, anniversaries, special events, your school events and national events, everything you can mark on the calendar. With this, you can know everything about that month or about that year. Step up. The word calendar comes from the Latin word calende, which means the first day of the month. Calendar words come from the Latin word calende. It means the first day of the month, like you will see May, which is the first day of the month, first day of the month May. It is called calende. Family events. Family events are events that we celebrate with our family and close ones like birthdays, weddings, etc. Birthdays, you were born on a certain date. That date is called date of birth. Each year you celebrate that day as your birthday. Similarly, everyone in your family has a birthday. We celebrate birthdays with our family and friends. We eat good food, sing, dance, and have fun. Some people also cut a cake on their birthdays. Family events, you can mark the birthdays of your family member, your friends, and wedding anniversaries also. And birthdays, you will born on which date, you can mark that date, that is called your date of birth. Okay, like you can also mark the others birthdays, your family members birthdays, you will celebrate the birthdays, you eat good food on that day, you sing songs, dance and have fun with your family members and your friends also, and you cut the cake also in the presence of them. Weddings. Wedding is a ceremony where two people are married to each other. When there is a wedding in the family, all family members collect together to bless the new couple. They wear new clothes, feast, sing, dance, and have fun. Already you have attended many marriage functions. You know that when a girl is going to marry with a boy, all people, those together there, they give blessings to the new couple and they wear new clothes, they sing, dance, and have fun with all. National events. Events that are celebrated on a national level are called national events. In India, we celebrate three main national events: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three are our national festivals which the whole country celebrate together. Republic Day. In India, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January Every year on this day, a big parade is organized at Red Fort in New Delhi. Where the parade is organized? At Red Fort. On this day, the President of India takes the military salute. Who has taken the military salute on Republic Day? The President of India. The armed forces, folk dancers, and school children take part in this parade. Bravery awards are given to some special children and members of the armed forces. On this day, the armed forces and the folk dancers from the different countries and the school children of different schools take part in this parade. On this day, awards are also given to the armed forces or the special children. Understood? Rest of the chapter we will read in the next video. Homework, read chapter 4 calendar and dates, page number 32 and 33. Thank you. Have a nice day.